In the heart of the Ottoman Empire, during the reign of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, a captivating woman named Roxelana would rise to unparalleled power and influence. Born as a slave girl named Hurrem Sultan in the Crimean city of Khanate of Kazan, she would soon find herself in the harem of the most powerful ruler in the world. Brought to Istanbul as a gift for Sultan Suleiman, Roxelana, with her striking beauty and intelligence, quickly captured the heart of the Sultan. Yet, her path to the throne was riddled with obstacles and rivalries, as the other women of the harem were jealous of her growing influence. The harem, a complex and intricate world, was a place of politics, intrigue, and competition. The women vied for the Sultan's affection, seeking to secure their positions and the power that came with them. Roxelana, however, proved to be a formidable adversary, using her cunning and intelligence to outmaneuver her rivals. As the years passed, Roxelana's influence grew, and she became not just the Sultan's favorite, but also a power broker in the Ottoman court. She played a role in key political decisions, using her connections to shape the future of the empire. However, her power and influence did not sit well with all, and plots were hatched to bring her down. In a twist of fate, it was Roxelana who would bring about her own downfall. When her son, Prince Mustafa, challenged his father for the throne, Roxelana was accused of orchestrating the rebellion. Faced with the possibility of losing everything, she was banished from the palace and eventually executed. Roxelana's story serves as a reminder of the power and influence women could wield in the Ottoman Empire, but also of the dangers that came with such power. Her life, filled with passion, intrigue, and tragedy, remains a fascinating chapter in the history of the Ottoman harem. The Ottoman harem, a place of luxury and power, was not just a world of beauty and opulence, but also a world of politics and intrigue. Roxelana, a woman born as a slave, rose to become one of the most powerful figures in the Ottoman Empire, only to fall from grace due to her own actions. Her story is a testament to the complex nature of power, the allure of the Ottoman harem, and the enduring legacy of the women who shaped its history.